Such a nice day. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know I'm not your regular person that be opening the videos, but Miguel went to go get a new battery. And this is because we ended up finding out that the battery that was sitting in the Sentra was actually dead, and when we went to go get it recharged, it wasn't working either. So in this case, right now, we're gonna get the Sentra an oil change, which is needed. But yeah, well, hopefully we'll wait for Miguel to get the battery. We're just gonna drain the oil because he also has to get the new oil for the Sentra. Now that we have the car fully jacked up, nice car. Anyway, we're gonna get our little handy dandy oil tank. Miguel left one of his little curly underneath the car, but yeah. So now that we have that lifted up, we're gonna do the oil change. Basically, just drain it from the engine plug that's all the way at the. I recommend trying 2 different sockets because I honestly don't remember what the correct size for the car is. But hopefully we can get this car running by tomorrow. Oil's been changed, filter's been changed. Now just time to do the fun part. Add more oil. But look who's back, Don Miguelito.
What's up?
But he's doing his own little project with the bike.
I got a new battery because the old one, I took it in to get charged. They gave it back to me. They didn't tell me what was the status on it. So I'm like, all right, they probably gave it to me because it's good. And guess what? I read the damn sticker when I take it back to the store, and it says battery statement bad. So I went back and they gave me a whole new one.
For the free.
For the free.
For the free.
For the free.
Anyway. Pretty sure you guys already know. But only oil that goes into the Sentra
It's Babylon.
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 Babylon. Anyway, so we're gonna empty this big old 5-gallon jug. Or 5-quart jug. Yeah, 5 quarts.
5-gallon jug?
Same stuff, man.
5 quarts.
5 quarts. Cause this car's a 2.0, so it likes to it likes to eat. Anyway, splash, and let's get to it. Here we go. Nice little open for the soda. Perfect. All right. All right. And nice and steady.
Nice and moisty.
Nice and moisty. Now look at her eating it up. Yeah, that nice little oil. Gotta make sure to get every single last drop.
David's gonna sit there with it all the way. So it's empty.
Alright, and it's done. Now we're just gonna pop in the new battery. Always make sure to get the funnel. Goes over here. Perfect. Now, grab the little top. Right here. Out the way. Grab your dipstick, your engine stick. Make sure. Oh shit, where's my rag? Ah, there's a rag. Grab the clean part of the rag. Grab the dipstick. And make sure there's good enough oil levels. There's oil, guys. There you go. So now we're just gonna pop in the battery and we'll be Gucci. Right, Miguel?
Yeah.
Damn, it's bright. Anyway, guys, it's pretty late. It's about, what time is it? It is about almost 1 in the morning. Miguel and I decided to, what did we decide to do, Miguel?
Take it around the block.
We decided to take the Sentra around the block. So far after this oil change, it should be ready to go.
And the jack stands and the oil, everything that's underneath the car. What about it?
We'll take it out right now. So I'm gonna you're actually gonna, after how long?
Oh shit.
So after about, say, 4 months, 5 months that the car hasn't been running, it's finally gonna run.
I mean, you guys have seen the process. I mean, it's been a hectic process. I'm over here pushing the jacks in and...
Put it in the middle so you can lift our glass after.
That's how you did it?
Yeah. I put it right underneath the front part of the engine bracket. Like there's a little nub.
I'm over here doing this while I'm in my...
He's going out close.
I'm going out close, exactly.
I changed, so. Yeah, I need a new jack. And then I just put the jack in the middle and left the building.
Still on the floor? Ah, shit!
I told you, dude.
I didn't think my car was that low.
Dude. You see, guys, Miguel doesn't listen to me. I literally told him, take off the bumper so that way it's easier, because the way I did it is I jacked up one side, and since the other side is too close to the wall, I just jacked it up from the middle, you know, so it's easier. But Miguel doesn't like to listen.
Alright,
moment of truth, you got the car keys?
Yeah, they're in the car.
Alright, let's do this
then. You connect the battery?
No, I did it.
Oh. It's been so long. The battery's not connected. Oh. Make sure the battery's like fully connected. That was sad. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty sad. How the fuck? Alright, we definitely got time that.
The SE concept.
Came up with the freaking. Okay. I'll just put this back down like that. Fix that later. Wait, nothing's underneath the hood.
No, sir.
That could potentially get caught. Nothing, okay.
How you feel, Miguel?
It's been so long, man.
You got the Pride shifting boot. It's been a
Kind of hard to drive without power steering.
I know. And no gas.
I think the power steering is a little bit the hardest. But I mean, the exhaust sounds good.
Oh no, yeah.
It has brakes. Oh, it rumbles a little bit.
Then just wait. And it oh, we even set car alarms off. But yeah, so we should have.
Record my Snapchat.
I gotta record now his Snapchat. Well, anyway, so mid-ride it starts to
Overheat since the belt drives the power steering, but I don't want to mess up the power steering right now, so I just took off the belt. And since it doesn't have the power steering, well, since it doesn't have the belt connected, basically the water pump isn't working, so it's not flowing coolant through the car, so that's why the car ended up overheating. But we didn't go like all the way to heat, it just went up to like probably like over by 1%, so it's fine. But oh my god, guys, you have no idea, it's been like at least
4 months.
No, man, 6 months. It's been 6 months since I've been able to drive my car, and it has been painful, but it was fun driving it while I could. I'm going to disconnect the battery just because of the fact that the alternator is also not connected because of the belt. So I don't want the battery, brand new battery, to just die on me and then I'm screwed and I can't take it to the shop tomorrow. So
basically we ended up finding out that we will be able to take it to the shop, because the other option that we had was Miguel and I was gonna have to push it down 5
yeah, we're
blocks.
gonna have to push it down to the shop, which is only like 4 blocks away. But I mean, the car is able to at least run 4 blocks, and it obviously is not gonna overheat with just 4 blocks. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, man, it was so emotional.
Yes, sir. But in other news, I know it's pretty late, guys. You guys are, it's a late video. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And we got actually, we might have a new surprise for you guys later on. If my car does not work.
Oh.
We'll keep you guys updated about the Black Sentra. But if not, you guys are into for some news. But anyway, have a good night, guys. Bye.